the last 2 days what I've experienced in this program, that public speaking and soft skills are important for moving up the ladder in an organization. I've spoken to the trainer also about that previously you didn't have quick fix solutions on the soft skills aspect. You have to climb up the ladder, and as you climb up the ladder, you encounter experiences wherein you have to present, wherein you have to stand in front of the public, wherein you have to lead a team. And then by experience, by doing it 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, 100 times, and that 101th time, you are almost very good or almost perfect. However, in today's world, the competition is fierce. You have to move up the ladder very fast. And there are quick fix solutions for soft skills available. So, the training that has been given in the last 2 days for public speaking, for speaking confidently, for speaking what is relevant, for making your impact felt when you are speaking, for the ethos, logos, pathos. So these are all very important facets even while you are in the corporate organization and moving up the ladder, and in your personal life also. If you have to, a person is more or less characterized by his speech, by what he speaks, by how he speaks, by how he conducts himself or herself with an individual or with a set of individuals or with an audience. So it's really helpful. The 2 days that have been there, it's the techniques that have been taught, the concept that has been taught will really help us forward. And I'm sure individually we would identify certain weak areas in ourselves. Within these 2 days, I have identified certain weak areas within myself, which won't be, I won't be able to overcome that in these 3 days. But yes, I have got now the techniques of how to overcome in the future. I've got the tools of how to overcome in the future. So I had this initially, I had the difficulty of prioritizing things when I speak. So whenever I used to prepare a speech, there were certain standout important items that were there in the whole speech, or there were certain standout important items that were there in the whole presentation. Those standout important items, usually my mind used to be clogged by them. So whenever I used to start a speech, I used to ki kabhi wo bolu. I should say them immediately. So that paraphrasing and when those relevant important points will come, that was a problem with me. However, I have identified that this is the problem with me, and I'll surely work towards it, and I'm sure it will help in articulating myself really well in a short or a long presentation and making my point heard. Even the one that Sir spoke about forming an opinion before everything, forming an opinion of why the numbers are growing, forming an opinion on what the management should think, what direction their thinking should go, what is your conclusion, how do you influence them towards your conclusion. It's not necessary that it will always come in your favor, but you need to influence and you need to be assertive about your point. So all these things are what has helped me practically during these 2 days, and I hope to imbibe many of the other things that I find my weak areas are and improve.